केन्द्रापड़ा जिला आड़ी ब्लॉक नियाल बीएनएनआर पब्लिक स्कूल एक विज्ञान मेला अनुष्ठित हो जाइछि। स्कूल निर्देशक बीरेन कुमार प्रधान सभापतित्व में अनुष्ठित यह विज्ञान मेलार उद्घाटनी उत्सव में स्कूल चेयरमैन निरुपमा पात्र मुख्य अतिथि भाव जोगदे ए विज्ञान प्रदर्शन को उद्घाटन करथिया बेले स्कूल एकाडेमी परामर्शदाता डॉक्टर मनोज द्विवेदी, प्रिंसिपाल रीतांजलि सामल, भाइस प्रिंसिपाल अभिजीत घड़ाई, अर्थ विभाग अधिकारी किरण कुमार महांती, कोषाध्यक्ष विमल कुमार पृष्टि, शिक्षयित्री किरण कुमार षडंगी, बासंती सामल, सीमारेखा मल्लिक, शिक्षक उत्तम परिड़ा, अविनाश नायक, सत्यरंजन नंद प्रमुख जोगदे छात्र छात्री मानक अग्रगति में विज्ञान प्रकल्पर बहु गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रही बेले छात्र छात्री माने 40टी विज्ञान प्रकल्प प्रदर्शन करिसेंती।
My project is difference of city and villages, also smart villages. We all are know we belongs from villages. Also many athletics, many politicians, many leaders belongs to villages. But at many cases what we see, out of 84% of villagers, only 10 or 15% of villagers want to live in village. What is the main reason of this? The main reason of this was, we all know, in all family a head member was there who have all the responsibility of family. So in village they cannot lend that much money for their family. So they leave their village and settled in city. Slowly the whole family settled at city. By this situation many people are happy, but many people are sad that they leave their villages. Today people, we all are know city was very developed, but what we think, village are weak? No, village are not weak, not villagers are weak. Only our village need some advanced technology, some new technology as smart village. I also come on this topic, but before this I want to explain the real difference of city and villages. In city, a normal people wake up early in the morning, they go to office and work 8 or 9 hours under AC. Then they come, they were tired, they did not make their lunch or dinner, so they go out and buy food from the hotel. We all know hotel food are very oily and unhealthy for our health. So this situation has repeated. By this, city people only live 50 or 60 years, but in this, our village people wake up early in the morning, they work under the sun day. So then in mid-term, the homemade food, water rice, in pakhala bhata, Odia we say pakhala bhata, and some vegetable go, they eat it deliciously, happily under the tree shade and eat it very happily. So the all nutrients of food go inside their tummy and they live. Our grandfather, they live 50 or 60 years by eat this food. Yes, city have many hospitals, many cities, many high-tech road, they have high-tech development, they have economic standard, but our village have not that much buildings, that much shopping mall, that much school. So we develop our villages as smart village. So this is our smart village. In smart village, what things are need? Main point, our solar panel, hospitals, some shopping mall, high-tech road, a water bodies, a farming area, and some animals and some working doctors only need. By this, many people live in their village and they did not leave their village, their born soil, and did not settle at city. They were very happy, so they live in this village. This is our smart village, and this is the main aim of our project, to show the realness of our villages. Yes, government do the smartness of our villages, but it needs or far need some advanced technology. Then my vision.
My project is seed germination. Seed germination means by which seed grow into a new plant. Seed need 3 important things to germinate: air, water, warmth. First step, seed absorb the water and make the seed coat. Then absorb the water and germs in the seeds break down the food from the plant. Then radical and plums grow. Then radical grow into a roots. The plum grow into a soil. And last plant have own leaves and make the Thank you for listening for me.
आळीरू मानिन सिंह रिपोर्ट ओडिशा ड्रीम टीवी।